Hello everyone, in this video we'd like to show you a spicy Indian pancake. Right, here we go. Half a tablespoon of green chili powder there. A teaspoon of mixed curry powder. That's half a teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder. Three tablespoons of flour. You can use self-rising flour or you can use just plain flour. Half teaspoon of salt. Now here we're dipping some chopped green chilies. Some chopped coriander in there. One egg. Now we are going to give them a good mix up. Mix all the ingredients together. Here we're adding a bit of water. You have to really literally give a good mix. Very well mix them in. Right, here we are. Our mix is ready. Now we're going to make our spicy Indian pancake. We just flip the pancake over, taking the other side now. Thank you for watching this video and all of my video. I will just showed you a spicy Indian pancake. Please try this and please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.